Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add YouTube channel link to Facebook. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. I'll show you how to add your YouTube channel link to your Facebook profile. First, open a Facebook app. Then tap on your profile picture icon at the top left. Tap on the edit profile button. Scroll down. You will see an option called links. Tap on edit. And then tap on platform and choose YouTube. And enter your YouTube channel username. So all you have to do now is hit the save button. And now you have successfully added your YouTube channel link to your Facebook profile. We can check it right here. There you go. Our YouTube channel has been successfully added to our Facebook profile. If you found this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.